Namaste. Today we explore experimentally the relationship between the angle at the center of circle and the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. For this, we need two circles of radii not less than 3 centimeter. So for that, go to the circle tool. Go to the circle tool. Okay, click this circle with center and radius. Click anywhere. The radius is 3. Similarly, another radius is 3.5 cm or 3.5 units. Now we take 2 points. So go to the point tool and take any 2 points on these circles. And the inscribed angle will be controlled with the help of the circular arc. So go to the circle tool and click the circular arc, center A, D2, C, center B, F2, E. Then we take one point in each circular arc, and by the help of this segment tool, we can give command here so that these points will be connected with the segments. So let's join the C to A to D, D to G, G to C. Similarly, BE, BF, F2, sorry, F2, H, FH, and HE. Now, we have to measure the central angle and the inscribed angle. So go to the angle tool, angle CAD, central angle, and it's given alpha, angle CGD, angle EHF, angle EBF. The central angle and inscribed angle is standing on the same arc CD in the first figure and on the same arc EF in the second figure are drawn. Then, okay, let's hide these circular arcs E and F. Here we can test. Here, this angle at the circumference cannot move towards the minor arc CD. Okay. Then we rename these angles with A. This is A. Suppose this angle is A, and this angle is B. This angle is C. This angle is D. The central angle and inscribed angles are renamed. Now let's write some steps. So go to the text, take the text tools and ex the text. Here. Step number 1. In step number 1, 2 circles with center A, center O. Okay. We will rename these circles or angles. So two circles with center O and radii at least 3 centimeter drawn. Similarly, in step 2, angle CAD, not here in the figure there is CAD, but we write here AOB, angle AOB, the command A and B angle AOB So right here, central, CENTRA, central angle AOB, and inscribed angle. Angle at the circumference is also known as the inscribed angle. The angle ACB are drawn on drawn in each figure, in each circle. In each circle. Okay, let's write this circle. Okay, we will arrange these similarly here. TEX text and figure number I. Similarly, TEX text number double I, that is, and we measure the angle at the center and the angle at the circumference. Both are standing on the same arc with the help of protractor, but here it's already been visualized. So okay, but we write this step number 3, TEX text. Step 3. In step 3, angle AOB and angle ACB are measured in each and tabulated the result we obtain. Tabulated the results. Okay. Then we go to the view bar and we click the spreadsheet, but because we need the table here, measurement table. For that, we write here figure. In the first column, we write the figure, and in next one, we write angle AOB. In the next one, we write angle ACB. We write the result in the next column. Similarly here figure number I. Similarly, figure number double I. Okay. Here in figure number I, the central angle is B. So just click B. And the inscribed angle is A, right here. And in the second figure, the central angle is G. I had already been renamed there. And inscribed angle is C. The result is angle 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 AOB equals to 2 times angle ACB. Similarly, we write the same result in the second odd row, and there is also angle AOB equals to 2 times angle ACB. Then we simply select these and we click the right button, and we get this type of a copy paste code, delete. Okay, create table. We create a table here. A table is visualized there. Okay, it's displayed on the board. Here table. Okay, it's working. Yes. Control and C. I have copy pasted this one and edit. At last, we write their conclusion. 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 From the above experiments, came to know that the central angle is twice from the above experiment. We came to know that the central angle circle the central angle of the circle is twice the inscribed angle standing on the same standing on the same arc. Here, edit inscribed angle. Here is so label. Now rename here. It's A. It's O. But it's better to go to the object properties and better to write here dollar and here A for making bold it slash BOLD bold and curly bracket A. This name of this point is O. Point is B. The name of this point is C. Similarly, it is also C. Is A. We give the same name for both the circles. Okay. Make it bold and the color it with green color. A. There is O. Step 3 is double here. Better to delay this one. And step 3, make it bold, or we can select all the text and bold at the same time and color all. Okay. Similarly, from the object property of this table, we change the text of on inside and we color it. Okay. And similarly, we bold. Okay, this is the process of how can we verify experimentally or show experimentally verification of the relation between inscribed angle and central angle of the circle standing on the same arc by the help of the GeoGebra. Okay, here these points. Okay, better to go to the option tool and round up to 1 decimal point. So we can show the angles in the figure as well, not name. We show only the values, the value of these angles. That means after measuring these angles with the help of the protractor, and the students will write the measurements and the figure value. Okay, this point, no, this we have to write only name here. Okay, and it was not here. There was uh, okay. There is B. Okay, thank you everyone.